Hello friends, kamusta po kayo? Magla-live po tayo ngayon. Sasagutin ko po ang mga tanong, okay? Ayan po, kamusta po? Hello friends, kamusta po kayo? Magla-live po tayo ngayon. Sasagutin ko po ang mga tanong, okay? Ayan po, kamusta po? Hello friends, kamusta po kayo? Magla-live po tayo ngayon. Ayan. Hi friends, good morning. Welcome po sa ating YouTube channel, Attorney E Immigration Lawyer, at ang ating pong Facebook page, US Pinay Lawyer. Today po is April 5, 2024. Nako, spring na po tayo dito sa Amerika. Marami na po ang nagsisimulang magtanim sa iba't ibang states natin. Pero dito sa amin sa Colorado, we still have to wait a few more months. Well, no. So now is April. Next month, kasi meron pa pong frost na darating. And so we still have another month or about 2 months to wait. Pero sa ibang states po ay ready na sila for planting. Okay, sa episode po natin ngayon ay sasagutin ko po ang inyong mga katanungan. And ito po yung mga questions na na-post dito sa ating okay, ito po yung mga questions na na-post dito sa ating comment section and I would like to answer them. Before I start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Attorney Elaine Antonio Bordeaux. I've been practicing U.S. immigration law since 2008 for 15 years, and I handle all types of immigration cases, and I represent clients from all over the world. Of course, most of my clients are coming from the Philippines. Ito pong ating YouTube channel, ang ating pong intention is to give you the right information. Ang intention po natin is to educate you and of course to
Ito pong ating YouTube channel, ang ating pong
yan. Ang ating pong ang purpose ng ating pong channel is to educate you and most of all to give you the right information. Yung mga information na relevant po sa ating mga Filipinos dito sa Amerika. So we can talk about other things maliban po sa immigration law. But of course, immigration law is my favorite because I'm an immigration lawyer and I've been doing this for 15 years. So sana po makatulong ako sa inyo. Now, hindi po ito substitute sa mga katanungan. Hindi substitute sa mga consultations. Okay? I'm doing so many things at the same time. Sorry. Hindi substitute sa actual consultation with your immigration lawyer. So, kailangan pong, you still have, this is just for general questions and for specific cases, kailangan pong makipag-usap kayo sa inyong abogado. Now, if you want to have a private and confidential consultation with me, mag-email kayo eb@eboardlaw.com or mag-text 713-314-7793. Okay, so I'm gonna read yung mga comments po natin and then based on that, we're gonna answer the questions po, okay? Sandali lang po. Hold on lang ha. Ayan. Okay. By the way, maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-subscribe and pag-like ng mga pinopost ko. And sana po nakatulong ako sa inyo. Okay, so ang ating pong first question for today is, basahin ko lang po Kay sabi ni Dinalyn Cuevas, ask ko lang po on the process po kasi yung CRI ko nang mamatay ang asawa ko. I informed USCIS tapos humingi po sila ng additional evidence. Sworn affidavit at death certificate. Now, nakareceive po ako ng approval notice which was forwarded to the National Visa Center. At nung nag-login ako ay CR 1 pa rin. And continue pa rin po ang pagbabayad. Continue ko pa rin po bang pagbabayad at pag-fill up at pag-upload ng mga documents. Okay, so what happened in this case is based on this comment, I think namatay po ang kanyang sponsor petitioner na asawa. And then less than 2 years of marriage pa sila and nakapending po yung kanyang proseso sa immigration. Now, ang sabi niya, nakatanggap ng approval, na-notify niya na ang USCIS, then nakatanggap na ng approval, and then it was forwarded to the National Visa Center. Actually po, tuloy po ang petition niyo because there's a law that protects you, yung surviving spouse law. Kahit below or shorter than 2 years ang yung marriage, ay mabe-benefit po kayo nito. Ngayon, tuloy po iyan, since you have already notified them, dapat ang gagawin ng USCIS ay i-convert po ang proseso nyo from I-130 to I-360. So after conversion, tuloy pa rin po yan. Just like a regular process, mag-update pa rin po ng mga documents. So yes, you have to pay and ngayon nasa National Visa Center, there's going to be another set of documents that will be needed from you. The best thing to do is send an inquiry to the National Visa Center and let them know the situation na ganun nga nangyari na namatay ang petitioner nyo and may request po kayo na i-convert ito sa I-360. So yan po. Okay, so sana nakatulong po ako. Ang surviving spouse process ay parang I-130 petition din po yan. It's just that minsan nagkakaroon ng delay because yung conversion process. But it should proceed just like a regular spouse petition. Yun nga lang po, ikinu-convert into an I-360, pero ganun din po ang proseso. But you are protected and that means that, you still have an opportunity to come to the United States. May mga documents silang hihingin and then you should be able to provide that. And then may mga fees din pong babayaran and then bayaran nyo po and then may interview din po kayo. So tuloy po ang proseso ninyo. Okay? So yan po sana nasagot ko yan. Next question naman po natin. Sabi niya, ito yung question na to is on overcoming challenges of first-time immigrant from William. Sabi niya, attorney, yung papers approved na noong May 2023 hanggang ngayon ay wala pa. Green card petition po ng misis. So let's check kung ano na yung pinaprocess. So as I said, the easiest way is to go online, tapos i-google nyo po teka po. Tulungan natin si Sir William. Yan. So, ang una nyo pong search is, itatype nyo lang po ay Visa Bulletin April 2024 because this is when you want to know kung malapit na ba yung priority date, ha? Visa Bulletin 2024. Hindi ko na ma-share yung screen ko for now. Okay. So i-type nyo lang yan. It will take you to the website na travel.state.gov. Okay? And, let me see. Tapos, you have to know kung anong category. Okay? Dito sa Visa Bulletin, malalaman po ninyo kung ano yung priority date na pinaprocess na or ipaprocess na nila. Okay? And this is the website to go to. Okay, so you can also call your lawyer, pero you can also do it yourself. Kasi minsan napakaraming ginagawa sa opisina ng abogado. But this is the way to do it. Go to Visa Bulletin. Okay, so sabi po ni Sir William, So, ang kanyang petitioner ay green card holder, so spouse of permanent resident, so F2A ang kanyang category. Okay, so ang F2A, okay, hold on F2A. Sabi niya dito na May 2023 pa na-approve. Okay. So, here's the trick. Tignan niyo po kung kailan ang priority date, hindi po yung approval. So what you need to check is the priority date. Yung priority date, you can find it doon sa mismong receipt notice. Yun po ang titingnan nyo dito, not the approval. So ngayon, for F2A, on or before September 1, 2023. So kung ang inyong priority date is on or before September 1, 2023, ay malapit na po kayong mabigyan ng notification. Kung wala man, ay kontakin niyo po ang inyong ang National Visa Center. But in this case, sabi niya dito, may daw na approve. So I don't know yung priority date po, sir, ano? So, but that's how you check it. So when you check this, para ma-assess nyo kung malapit na ba, look at your priority date and then yung category ninyo and then go to this website, i-type nyo lang po visa bulletin kung anong month and year kayo ngayon, right now, and then makikita nyo po yung pinoproseso nila. Okay, so but I want to share with you something, on or before September 1, 2023, ang ngayon, ang ipaprocess na ng National Visa Center for the month of April. But if you go to final action dates, ito yung actual na talaga, the simplest way for me to explain this is sa chart A, doon po sisimulan yung proseso nyo, pag nasubmit nyo na lahat, and then NVC will tell you, you're documentarily qualified. Okay, meaning, lahat ng dokumentong kailangan nila ay naipasa nyo na. Maghihintay na lang kayo ng interview sa US Embassy. And i-determine po siya ng final action date. Kasi, kita nyo, September 2020 pa lang yung talagang may actual visa. 'Di ba? So, meron po siyang delay. Kaya, kahit documentary qualified ka na, and I always explain this to my clients, and I always explain that the hardest part in any immigration process is the waiting time. Lalo na pag nakita mo na andyan na yung inyong visa, ipaprocess na. And then, for other people, they thought na pag documentarily qualified ka na, ay interview na agad. Hindi po yon. Not in the case of itong may mga preference categories. Okay? So in your case, F2A, ay kung ang iyong priority date ay on or before September 1, 2023, ay pwede mo nang kontakin ang National Visa Center or wait and then makokontak ka na po nila. They're gonna send you a notification and then they're gonna send you invoices na babayaran mo and then that will start the NVC process, yung uploading ng inyong mga electronic documents. Okay? All right. So I hope nasagot natin yan, Let's see. Okay, so ang atin pong susunod na question na sasagutin ay, actually ito yung similar question pa rin kay William, so I answered that. Sabi nito, okay, sponsoring your kapatid sa US family petition, sabi ni user IE3WG4HS9. Ang haba, no? So, hindi na siya naglagay ng pangalan niya. Sabi niya, hi, F2B ang anak ko. January 2012 ang priority date. Ang tagal ng waiting time. So, let's see. Yan Pero normal lang pong mainip. Kasi I remember when I was processing my own immigration application long time ago, more than 15 years ago, as soon as I submitted my application, alam niyo po, wala pa nitong mga internet and email Araw-araw ata ako nag-check ko yung mailbox for any notification from immigration. So I understand the feeling po. Okay, F2B naman. So sabi po ni, sino ba si Ma'am User? Sabi niya, Okay. Sabi niya, F2B daw. So, anak niya, green card holder siya, and F2B, anak niya na below 21 years old ang kanyang pinipetisyon. And sabi niya dito, ang priority date daw ay January 2012. So, let's see. Sa chart B, punta po tayo sa chart B. F2B, October 1, 2013. Okay, so, kung ang priority date ng anak mo ay January 2012, ngayon po, October 2013 na ang pinaprocess. So, kasi hindi, konti lang yung kanyang question eh. So first, kung hindi ka pa nakatanggap ng notification or notification and notices from National Visa Center, ay ano po, i-contact nyo na po sila. Meron pong public inquiry form online sa NVC and tell them na ang priority date, the priority date of my child, F2B, is January 2012. You're processing right now, October 1, 2013. Please send me the notices. I want to move forward with the petition. Yan po. Ganun lang simple yun. So mag-public inquiry form kayo kung hindi nyo pa natanggap. Okay, kung natanggap nyo na and you submitted everything na, and hinihintay nyo pa rin ang inyong interview, let's look at the chart tungkol sa final action date. Diba, nakakatanggap ka ba ng notice na sinasabi nila ng NBC? Your case is documentarily qualified, but we're waiting for your interview. It's because of this delay. So right now sa F2B, October 22, 2011. Ayan, konti na lang ma'am, malapit na po. Kasi January 2012 na kayo eh, di ba? So yan po. So talagang may waiting pa pero malapit na kasi October 22, 2011 pa lang ang kanilang actual na pinaprocess sa embassy. But sa National Visa Center, they're working on or before October 1, 2013. So malapit na po kayo. So if you think about it, 2 years ang difference, ano? Pero it's going to happen and it's gonna get there. Okay? So kung ang bata naman ay, ayan, to 21 years old na, kaya po lagi sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung meron kayong anak, don't wait yung mga tipong mga 18, yung mga ando na sila. And then kapag na-delay yung processing, then aabutan pa rin sila. So habang maaga, asikasuhin nyo na po yung petition ng inyong mga anak. Okay? So, ayan. So kung ang inyong anak ay malapit na pong Okay, so F2B is 21 years or older. So never mind. Yung F2A is below 21, but the same advice, okay? Kung ang inyong anak ay malapit mag 21 years old, you have to notify ang National Visa Center or USCIS kung saan man po ito pinoproseso and request for the expedited processing ng inyong petisyon. Ang F2B naman ay for 21 years old and older. Okay, so ayun po. So I hope nasagot ko po ang inyong tanong. Yan po si Ma'am. Okay, so sabi niya si Ma'am S. Sabi niya January 2012. Ayan po Ma'am ha. Kung wala pa kayo natanggap na sulat sa NBC, i-contact niyo po sila. Okay, kung nasubmit nyo na po lahat ng dokumento sa NBC, konting hintay na lang po kasi October 2011 ang pinaprocess, January 12, 2012 kayo. So that's good. Okay, para sa F2A naman, kung ang anak nyo ay magto-21, notify immediately. Kung nasan man yung proseso, National Visa Center or kung nasa US Embassy na sa Manila or nasa USCIS. Okay. Pero ang payo ko again, ang bata, kailangan pong sikasuhin nyo na ang process nang wag na po yung halos magto-21 na or 20 kasi yun po yung crucial. Pag na-delay ng konti sa processing, lalo na kung hindi US citizen ang petitioner, ay na-age out po ang bata. Paano naman po kung US citizen na ang petitioner? Pag US citizen ang petitioner, you don't have to worry about it. Okay? Kasi meron pong automatic protection under CSPA. So, yung bata ay hindi nag-age out. Ngayon, unless nag-asawa yung yung bata, then nag-change yung category. So, pero with respect to aging out, kahit mag-21, kahit abutan, for as long as you filed it before the child is 21 years old, then okay po yun. Pag US citizen po kayo. Ayan ha. Ang dami, no? Alright. So, may isang user po, sabi niya, hi po, kamusta kayo? And of course, if you want to schedule a private and confidential consultation with me, mag-text 713-315-7793 and mag-email at eb@eboardlaw.com. Okay, so gabi po ngayon sa Pilipinas. I don't know what time in the Philippines, but let's check po ha. It is actually midnight in the Philippines and we are almost 11 o'clock in mountain time in the morning. Okay. All right. So ang susunod na question po natin ay ito naman tungkol sa working visa. Work in the US, paano ba ang H2B work visa? Hi ate, I have a question po. Paano po kumuha ng visa to the US to work? Ano po ang proseso? So, ang H2B po is a temporary seasonal visa. Ito po yung mga short term lang. Ang maximum po niyan is 3 years. Pero so say for instance, hotel, meron silang peak season o kaya ito yung non-agricultural. Yung agricultural po ay tinatawag na H2A. So let's talk about H2B only. Yung H2B po, it's a program, it's a work visa program, and you can find it na may mga seasonal work, katulad po ng, say, sa restaurant, every summertime, napaka-busy nila, so they need workers for that. O kaya po sa mga hotels, may mga season na very peak season, like yung mga sa mga ski resorts na tuwing winter, malakas po ang mga maraming turistang bumibisita, so they need workers for that. Tapos meron namang mga places na malapit sa dagat pag summertime, napaka-busy nun. So may mga seasonal work po doon. And you can apply, you can work in those mga businesses, okay? But there's a process. Of course, it started by your employer in the United States. So sisimulan po yun ng employer, hindi kayo ang nagsisimula. Of course, meron diyang hiring process or recruitment process. I always say that work with a licensed agency in the Philippines. And mag-ingat po kayo kasi maraming manloloko, maraming mga scammers. Lagi kong sinasabi to. And may mga nagpapadala po sa akin ng emails na mag-ingat po kayo dahil hindi kayo dapat magbayad sa H2B program. Okay, so kapag ang recruiter or ang employer nyo ay inuunti-unti kayo sa pagbabayad, so say, ayan, may medical, magbabayad ka, may visa fee, magbabayad ka, tapos bandang huli, sasabihin sa'yo, kailangan mong bayaran yung, whatever amount you need to pay to get your visa. Meron pang isang scammer na yung mismong photo ng applicant, nilagay niya na dun sa fake visa. Tapos pinakita niya na dun sa aplikante, sinabi niya na, eto, approve na yung visa mo, hindi pa nga nag-a-appear sa US Embassy for interview. So yun yung mga scams, Tapos sinasabi sa kanya na if you pay certain amount of money in thousands na, and then makukuha mo na tong visa na to na approve na. So yun yung mga scammers dyan. Kaya po mag-ingat kayo. But it's a legitimate program of the United States. Only work with a licensed agency. Okay, so yung employer mag-i-initiate ng proseso, merong H2B workers, and then you will be interviewed if file muna nila yung proseso with the Department of Labor, and then sa USCIS, and then i-interviewin po kayo, and then that's when the visa is issued. So work with a licensed agency in the Philippines only. Okay? Ayan. Alright, so ang susunod na question natin ay, I think we answered this already. Okay, so yun po. And I just want to make sure na masagot ko po yung mga importanteng katanungan. Okay? Let me see po, ha? Oh, so, meron po ako natanggap na email na nagtatanong kung ang J-1 visa daw po ba ay nagbibigay ng green card. So, ang J-1 visa is another temporary visa. It's an exchange visa program. So, iyan po yung pupunta sila dito sa Amerika, either as an intern, trainee. Marami po tayong J-1 teachers. Merong in-demand po ang mga J-1 teachers. And they come here for a certain period of time, and then ang condition, most of them, or I shouldn't say most of them, kasi yung iba wala pong nakarehistrong condition na kailangan talaga silang bumalik sa Pilipinas. Hindi sila makapag-adjust ng status. But anyway, ang idea po ng J-1 visa program for J-1 teachers especially is to um you go to the United States, matutunan mo yung pamamaraan ng education system dito, makapag-ambag ka, you can also, makapag-contribute ka ng iyong kaalaman, and then after that, you go back to the Philippines para po ma-share ninyo ang inyong karanasan, yung mga natutunan nyo. So that's the idea ng exchange visa program. So it's not only Philippines and the US, marami po yung mga exchange programs na yan ng iba't ibang countries. Meron pong mga for professionals, lahat po ng aspeto actually meron dyan. J-1 teachers, meron for doctors, may mga au pairs, yung mga nagnanani, may mga kanya-kanya po silang qualifications, okay? And it's an exchange visa program, so it's easier to get. So ang idea po is it's not really a work program na you're coming here as a worker talaga, but you're coming here as an exchange visitor. Okay, so ano ang proseso? Meron po mga accredited organizations. So that's the number one thing. May mga accredited organizations, and yung mga accredited organizations po ninyo ay dapat po yung mga accredited organizations ay you have to check them. Meron pong website for that sa Department of Homeland Security website, ay makikita nyo po doon. I-google nyo lamang po ang accredited J-1 sponsors, okay? And then makikita nyo po doon may mga iba't ibang category. Actually, nasa Department of State website siya. And makikita niyo po doon kung sino po ang accredited ng Homeland Security. And doon lang po kayo makipag-deal, okay? Huwag kayong makipag-deal sa mga hindi accredited kasi malamang po niyan ay maluloko kayo. So that's the first thing. And if you're approached for J-1, that's the first thing that you ask. Are you an accredited organization? So who is, kasi po requirement yon. There must be an accredited J-1 sponsor. So tanungin niyo po kung sino yung accredited J-1 sponsor, and in the next, sa mga susunod po nating video, I'm going to share to you how to check them kung talaga bang legitimate po sila. Ayan, abangan po ninyo yan ha. Kasi marami din pong maluloko dyan sa J-1 program. And I truly understand yung mga kababayan naman po natin na gusto talaga nilang makalabas sa Pilipinas, gusto po nilang masubukan ang pagtatrabaho sa Amerika, ang buhay sa Amerika. And sometimes nagre-resort sila sa pakikipag-usap, pakikipagsapalaran sa mga recruiters na to, and we don't even know kung registered sila o hindi. So yan lang po ang paalala ko sa inyo. Okay? Yan po. For now, ating sasagutin. So please send questions kung magpapadala po kayo ng comments ng questions sa comment section, please general question lang po. This is not a substitute sa actual consultation with your immigration lawyer. And we don't form an attorney-client relationship here. If you want, so sabi ko, don't put any private or confidential information do sa comment section because everybody can see it. Marami rin po mga scammers at manluloko dyan and nagbabasa niyan. But if you want to have a private and confidential consultation with me, mag-email kayo, eb@eboardlaw.com or mag-text 713-315-7793. Ako po si Attorney Elaine Antonio Bordo. If you are in San Francisco in July, I will be there po sa ating pong konsulado, sa Philippine Consulate po natin sa San Francisco po. Maraming salamat po. Until next time po. Bye. Like and subscribe po kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-like and subscribe, and share this to your friends.